6,000 family word, which is the number is almost enough to us to understand the most normal English text in the world. So basically, when we are playing Minecraft, we feel like we are reading the book that is full of vocabulary. Okay. And the next reason is about motivation and engagement, turning learning into play. One of the biggest problem when we are learning vocabulary, it is about motivation. The traditional method teach us to memorizing and remembering the word, and for students it seems boring and not useful. And in that case, the Minecraft can be also the key to solve this problem. For example, in Minecraft, the student can do whatever they want to do. The experience of playing this game feels like freedom and enjoy. While they are doing that, they need to use vocabulary to know the name of item, the name of object, or maybe communicate with each other. Sudarmaji and Yusuf 2021 says that the students who learn vocabulary the student who learn vocabulary through Minecraft is more active and fun than the student who is learn vocabulary from the normal class. So, which means the motivation is come from a joy, not from the pressure. And then the last reason is about cognitive development. Having a good vocabulary is not only about memorizing and remembering the word. It's also about knowing the meaning of the word and trying to use in real life situation. Minecraft gives us many chance to develop this skill. This skill is called HOTS, or what we call high order thinking skill. It is skills like solving problem, critical thinking, and creativity. For example, when the player wants to survive in the night of Minecraft, they need to do is making plan and use the resource that they have. While they are doing that, they also need to use English to think and to communicate with each other. Mufida et al. 2024 says that the students who play Minecraft get more can improve their thinking, such as solving problems and decision making. This high order thinking skill is also useful in learning vocabulary. For example, when we are know the vocabulary, when we are get the new vocabulary in real life, we are not only just memorizing and remembering, but also we will search the meaning of the word and trying to use in real life situation. This is the critical thinking that we need in learning vocabulary. Okay, next one is the role of teacher. To use Minecraft as a learning tool, we as a teacher need to direct the student so the student can get the benefit of playing Minecraft. The teacher must decide the activity based on learning objectives, such as building challenges and create assignments that require students to learn vocabulary. Because why? Because after the teacher doing this, the student will may lead to be more focused on learning, not playing. Okay, the conclusion. In conclusion, Minecraft offers a strong potential in learning vocabulary. Minecraft can provide the real context, can improve the motivation, and also can develop the cognitive skill. To make this happen, the role of teacher is important in direct the student who want to learn vocabulary through Minecraft. Okay, I think that's all that I can tell you. I am Galang Ada Pratama. Thank you for your nice attention.
Well,